good, you guys? Hey, if you guys are part of the blind community or low vision community, hey, I got something for you guys today that I want to show you. Something very, very, very nice and very intelligent, and it's getting ready to come with a whole lot of features coming real soon. So let me show you guys what I got. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so let's start off with first of all, if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, so you don't miss out on anything else that I put up. Okay, so you guys, a lot of cool features to these glasses. Okay, if you see on the left hand side, okay, you can go ahead and if you hold it down, that's the power button. Okay, that's to power up these glasses. Okay, and on the left hand side, if you click once, it's for taking a picture. If you click twice on the left hand side, that is for using a video. Okay, and you click once again after the video, you want to stop it, it'll stop. Okay, and then on the right hand side, you guys, so all the magic begins. Okay, all the magic begins. So let me go ahead and let me get these set up, and then I want to show you guys what these actually can do. Okay, let's go. You guys, so this is a quick view of what the application looks like. Of course, you have the Echovision, the model of the glasses that you have. Right now they're disconnected, but I'm just showing you what the application looks like, and it shows you the battery level of the glasses, which mine is at 72%. And also, if you go down here at the bottom, you can click on history. So these are, different things that, I was asking AI, questions and everything. So it gives you your response, so you can go back and look at your history if you want to look back on the different things. And of course, here's the gallery. This is the things that I took with with the picture and the video. So of course, those are one of the pictures, and that's my little office right there. Some more pictures, and the pictures look pretty good, you guys. They're not bad. Okay, so, and then you also have video. So I do have a video right here. So you and trust me, you guys, none of this is they do not have access to none of your pictures, your videos. All these are stored to your phone itself. Okay, so let's go over here where it says settings. First, you have your audio. You can adjust your media volume, your call volume, and you guys, it does not have right now. It does not have where you can use as a call right now. That's coming soon, real soon. They're working on different things for it, and also your speech speed, so you can turn that upside down if you want to. And here is your Wi-Fi, and it scans for your networks and external audio devices, so you can search for certain devices. And device management, so your wear detection, camera, you can do all that stuff, and you can control everything with the glasses. Okay, and then here's your system update. You can check to see if you have any updates for the device, and then you can go ahead and forget glasses, so you can, if in case you want to forget them. Then you have your AI assistants, you have usage, connect service, log out, and delete account. Okay, So all this stuff, you know, is your settings to deal with the glasses, device, and everything else. Okay. So you also have right here your user guide. So just in case you need to learn how to do something, okay, it do tell you, you know, go over different things with you. So, you know, like the charging case, if you need to know how the battery is. So one beep is 0 to 25%, two beeps, you know, 25 to 50, three beeps, 50 to 75, and four beeps, 75 to 100. Okay, so just, you know, different things. If you want to learn how to do it, you know, it shows you right here. Okay, so you guys, just a quick overview of what the application looks like. So just in case, you know, you'll be getting familiar with it. Okay, so here's back to the video. Okay, you guys, so before we get started, you guys are gonna have some updates, you guys, for these glasses. Okay, there's gonna be some updates. You just do the updates, and make sure you do them, because they're very, very important. You know how many features that you know you're gonna have every time they, you know, work on something, get something together. Okay, so I went ahead and paired this with, you know, with the Bluetooth speaker, so so you guys can be able to, you know, hear exactly what the AI what it says. Okay, I did, you know, show you guys, you know, the app, you know, what it looks like in the app, you know, what you can control and everything. The phone feature is coming soon. Okay, and these glasses are connected Bluetooth wise. So if you go out somewhere, as long as you're connected Bluetooth wise with these phones, I mean with these glasses, and as long as you're connected to some kind of Wi-Fi, okay, you're attached to some kind of Wi-Fi. Maybe you're at a friend's house, you know, maybe you're at a restaurant, or kind of, as long as you're connected. Okay, so let me go ahead and, you know, throw these on. And you know, they do have on these, they do have the clear version of these glasses. Okay, they do have the clear version, and they do have a version where they're brown. Okay, they have a brown tint. So you guys, everything is in the description of the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press, and, you know, okay, I'm gonna ask it something. How many states are in the United States? How many states are in the United States? How many states are in the United States?
There are 50 states in the United States.
Okay, so let me go ahead, you guys, and ask it something a little bit more harder. I'm gonna ask it, you know, what's around me. What is in front of me?
The scene shows a multi-monitor computer setup with 3 large screens displaying a colorful gaming or streaming interface. There are 2 ring lights, one positioned behind the monitors and one in front, illuminating the area. A smartphone on a stand displays a man wearing sunglasses. A mechanical keyboard with RGB lighting is visible in the foreground, along with various small figurines and objects on the desk.
Okay, so you guys, as you guys can see, These right here, you can see as I get a little bit closer, these are the cameras right here where the glasses are. Okay.
The desk features a triple monitor setup with colorful gaming or streaming content on the screens. A large ring light is positioned behind the center monitor, and a smaller ring light is mounted on a stand in front of the monitors. A smartphone on a stand shows a man wearing sunglasses.
Okay, let me turn this down because every time it hears me, talk, it'll say something, So you guys, very, very super smart when it comes to AI. Okay, very, very super smart. And I like that because if somebody's blind, now they will be able to see everything that's around them. They'll be able to ask questions and stuff. So it's it's part of a life thing. Okay. And also with the side over here, they'll be able to take pictures. Okay, you'll be able to take pictures, and you'll be able to use videos. And also, if you want to turn the glasses on and off, you just hold down the left hand button and it turns it on, and you hold down and it turns them off. Okay. And also, you usually get about continuously, I would say, they say you can hook up, he said you can hook up a power bank to them. If you have a cord runs, and you want to hook a power bank that lasts longer, you can do that. Okay. But usually about 8 hours. I would say anywhere 4 to 8 hours. Okay, you should be able to get out of them. Can do it continuously. Okay. And if not, usually about 20 some hours. They just sit. Okay, so you guys, very, very nice glasses. Okay, and there's a whole lot of features. And these guys, shout out to Agiga, for allowing me to, show this product to you guys. Something, for you guys to go ahead and check out. And nice product. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys on this video, how they work, how the AI version works. I wanted to show you the app, show you what the pictures look like and everything. And the other, part one was the unboxing, and I did that live. Okay, so you guys go ahead and if you're interested and and you're thinking about it, go ahead. Links in the description where you can get them. You guys go ahead and check it out. You guys definitely won't be disappointed. I think they're very, very nice, and they fit for an average person with low vision and blind people, or even people that with low vision can very much enjoy these glasses. So you guys, I love you guys. You guys stay safe, stay blessed, and hey, I'll most definitely see you guys on next one. Peace out.